Rutherford's alpha scattering experiment. The credit for the discovery of the nucleus of an atom goes to a British physicist, Lord Ernest Rutherford. Shown here is the diagrammatic view of the famous gold foil experiment conducted by Lord Rutherford. The radioactive source, rich in alpha particles, was kept in a thick lead block with a narrow opening. The alpha particles were confined to a narrow beam by passing them through a lead sheet with a slit. An extremely thin foil of gold was bombarded with these fast-moving alpha particles. The scattered alpha particles were detected using a rotatable detector, which has a microscope and a screen coated with zinc sulfide. The whole experimental setup was placed in an evacuated chamber to prevent scattering by the air molecules. These striking particles caused scintillations on the screen. Based on the observations, Lord Rutherford deduced these conclusions. As most of the alpha particles pass through the gold foil without any deflection, most of the space within the atoms is empty. As some of the alpha particles were deflected by large angles, they must have approached some positively charged region responsible for the deflection. This positively charged region is called the nucleus. As very few alpha particles experienced the deflection, it was concluded that the volume occupied by the nucleus is very small. Since alpha particles, which are comparatively denser, were deflected by the nucleus, it shows that almost the complete mass of the atom must be within the nucleus.